Okay, that'll work perfectly.
Yeah, definitely. They would love it, man. Cool project. You too, sir. I love how people they're just interested in it, and I love talking about it. Another guy just showed up and started staring at the bus. I'm not gonna lie, I love driving the bus, but it makes me a little bit nervous. I mean, it's like 15,000 pounds, so. She's screaming. You can hear her. Alrighty guys, what's going on? Cody from It's Bussin'. We just showed up to the bus and, well, first I need my coffee to wake up. So it's about 7 a.m. on a Saturday morning. I don't know why, I couldn't sleep. And I was like, you know what? I need to do some stuff on the bus anyways. Let's go ahead and knock this out. I'm only gonna be here for about an hour or two this morning. We have some stuff planned on later on in the day. And honestly, there's not a lot left to do before we move on to the next phase. So I actually came to the bus, I think on Tuesday. I'll go ahead and put some B-roll up of that. And I finished up the main portion of the framing on the ceiling. So basically what I'm gonna do today is put one more strap of wood along this corner right here, and then one more strap of wood along that corner right there. We also got to make a trip to the world's best store. That's right, Harbor Freight. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get into it. Alrighty guys, so we went ahead and just finished up along the sides here. Oh, that's not good. Might need to do something about that. So we went ahead and just finished up along the sides here. It was pretty simple. This whole thing probably took 30 minutes, maybe 45. We're looking pretty good on the roof, I'm not gonna lie. It looks pretty official. So pretty much what I need to do today, I need to stop by Harbor Freight, get a couple of tools for the next phase of this project. I need to stop by Home Depot, return something, just little errands. And it's a good excuse to be able to drive the bus, get some experience in. I'm not gonna lie, I love driving the bus, but it makes me a little bit nervous. I mean, it's like 15,000 pounds, so I'll try to get some footage, but mainly I'm gonna try to focus on being safe, keeping everything, intact, hoping that nothing breaks. So let's go ahead and get to it. Guys, I just got out of Harbor Freight. I tell you, man, I have a strong addiction to Harbor Freight. They talked me into a membership. I'm like, okay, sure, $30, why not? No, you don't have to get your CDL because do what?
You're not driving people in it, I guess.
Yeah, it's exactly right. You're not not transporting children or anything like that, but you do have to convert it to an RV title, which is pretty simple if you want to drive it on the road and stuff like that.
Okay, that'll work perfectly.
Yeah, definitely. They would love it, man. Cool project.
Have a good one.
You too, sir.
You're gonna be great.
Oh man, I love how people they're just interested in it, and I love talking about it. I could talk about this thing forever. So yeah, I was in there in Harbor Freight, and he was like, "Is that your bus out there?" I'm like, "Yeah." He was like, "Oh man," just asking about it, and I love telling people about it. So, but yeah, so I figure I'm gonna be buying a lot of tools as I convert this bus. So it's $30 for a year, and I got a couple of I think I got some AA batteries and another tape measure to throw in. So Harbor Freight, I am your ideal customer. You got me hook, line, and sinker. So all right guys, let's go ahead and get back to the bus storage. I'm already sweating. It's like 9 o'clock. So yep. All right. Another guy just showed up and started staring at the bus. In case anybody's wondering what this thing tops out at, going downhill, we're at about 60, 65. She's screaming. 65 right now. You can hear her. That really sucked. I'm not as good at backing up as I thought I was. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. That's why we get out. That's why we take the bus out, is to do this stuff, to get used to driving it, to get used to the engine wearing on it and getting the engine nice and warmed up. So if you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, or don't. You guys have a great rest of your day. I will see y'all out on the road. Bye.